My name's Kurt Ferguson. I'm Director of Operations with Green Petroleum, MBE here located in Clinton, Maryland. And we've been providing the DMV area with on and off-road diesel as well as home heating oil. The biggest thing I love about these Western Global fuel tanks is the ease of access that it gives the project managers, the ability to do their job on site. They no longer have to call us when they need the tanks moved if it's in a secondary containment. They can move it and put it in a place in which it best benefits them and also gets the job done quicker. This site is actually a joint venture with Skanska, Corman, and McLean. It's going to be 4 years long. They're replacing the bridge. And right off the bat, when they asked us to come to the table, we knew that Western Global fuel tanks would be perfect for it, just to give them the ease of access to move and fuel everything they need to at any given time without us coming on board. If you're in the petroleum business, you're delivering fuel, and you have the ability to provide tanks, there is without a doubt no other option you should really go with. These tanks are the best tanks on the market right now. Don't do anything else but look at Western Global.